Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome back to WDT Media TV. We're joined by the man called Bobby Phanton. Put on the Whapping Thursday. As you can see, his car. Yes, it's all right written off in the accident. So Phantom, what happened to you think no Phantom? Tell us what happened.
Well, I want to see, I just go over evil still in a car. I'm a little bird and I get a drive and him just crash it and you know the greatest thing him come back alive. Him never really hurt nobody. Him just look up in the wall and thing and knock out for a couple minutes until people take him out of the car. But you know a material thing and we just give thanks to life. No say my brother alright.
Yeah.
And no say everything alright. Only the machine alright. So give thanks, you know.
You can see it, damage arms the car, as you can see. Bobby Phantom. Tell the world now how the coronavirus pandemic is affecting Whapping Thursday.
Well, it affects greatly, you know, because you know the tourists are not coming in and you know normally Whapping is a tourist spot like people from all over the world flying and you know, but we just give thanks, you know, say the country take time come back now and you know, say within a few weeks, 2 months time now, everything back to normal. But at this moment now, we have a Whappings buy and go 66 Mannings in the road every Thursday same way. So check it out.
So it's buy and go.
Right.
That means there is no crowd at the venue.
Right.
Just buy and go.
Right.
So there's no gathering there at all.
No.
You just come there, buy and go. Oh, where again?
66 Mannings in the road.
And it's every Thursday from
12 to 9.
Alright, so just buy and go.
Right.
No staying there, just buy and go, no gathering.
Right.
And all the COVID-19 protocols are observed.
Definitely. Wear a mask, sanitizer at the gate. Right.
Yeah man, so buy and go, Whappings buy and go. Alright, bless up sir, a new one for the market. Whappings buy and go. You heard it from Bobby Phantom. Whappings buy and go. So there's no lighter, no gathering, just buy and go. And again, the girl that his brother is okay after this accident. As the already said a while ago, he ran the car in a wall. So luckily for him, we got that his brother is okay. But you can see the car is all damaged. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV.